Greetings everyone and welcome to another Jarrison Time informational video. In the following video, we'll be taking a look at exporting to Psiber. Once we're in the software, we head to the menu bar and click on Setup, followed by File Creator. Here we will create the layout needed for an API export. We will then click on the Add button. Then we will name the export layout, and next we will tick the CSV format file option. This is required for the API export to function, followed by clicking on the Browse button so that we can set the path where a file containing the same results as the API export can be saved. Then we tick the Psiber API option. Now we click on the Details tab. This is where we set up the export details as needed by the Psiber API. We then click on the Add Item button. The first item is the employee number, so we will click on the field drop-down and then select it. Next, we will set the field length to 15. Then we click on the Add Item button again. This time we will change the type from field to constant, and we will insert the interface code or payroll code. These codes will be found in Psiber and will differ from client to client. Next, we will click the Add Item button once again and change the type to constant. Then make sure that the constant text field is empty. This empty constant text field is then seen as a space for us to set up the next field. We will then repeat these steps for each category that we would like to export from Jarrison into Psiber. Now that we are done, we can click on the Save button, then close the window. To perform an export to the Psiber API, we will head to the menu bar, then click on Export, followed by File Payroll. We will then select the Psiber export, then make sure we have all of the employees selected that we would want to export for, and make sure we have the correct date range selected, and then we can click on the Export button. We will then receive a message displaying the export outcome. We can then click on the OK button, close the window, and go on working with Jarrison Time. That will be all for this video. For related content, check the description below. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.